everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping. Thank you for clicking that play button. Today we're taking a closer look at our 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn. With just over 71,000 miles, this crew cab four-wheel drive pickup truck does feature a 5.7 liter V8 engine. It does have a clean Carfax with 3 previous owners. Starting in the front, you will notice your beautiful chrome grille with black backing. You also have LED headlamps and fog lights integrated into the lower bumper. Making our way around to the wheel and tire setup, you can see that 22-inch machined aluminum alloy wheel wrapped up in a nice off-road tire. We'll get to the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the exterior of this Ram pickup truck, you can see that it is equipped with black running boards, turn signal indicators integrated into the mirror cap, and passive door entry. Once inside, you will be met with some nice elements just like this leather off-white stitching, gray cloth, brushed aluminum, and that dark ash. And as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the interior of this vehicle. This particular Ram 1500 is equipped with premium cloth seats, and as you can see, you have that off-white stitching and that nice design right in the middle. And of course, this is a crew cab pickup truck, so you'll have plenty of space back here for your rear passengers. And as you can see, this vehicle is equipped with your all-weather mats, a flow-through center console, and a fold-down cup holder as well. Making our way to the rear of the vehicle, you will notice your chrome badging, rear mirror, all your towing equipment, and of course you have your dual exhaust with stainless steel tips. And this particular Ram 1500 does not have a bed liner or a spray-in bed liner, but you do have that aftermarket rough country mat. Other great features will include rear proximity sensors and rear sliding glass. Making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your power options such as door locks, power windows, and mirror adjustments. And if we look over to our driver's seat, you will notice it is powered with lumbar support. To the left of the steering wheel, you will have brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster, your lamp selector, an electronic parking brake, and automatic foot pedal adjustments. Here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. As you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. Upon startup, you can see just over 71,000 miles on this Ram 1500. And as far as steering wheel mounted controls, you will see you have your selector for your center cluster, and you do have media options and the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth. And of course, to the right, you have your cruise control options. And below your cruise control, you will have your manual gear shift. Bringing our attention to the center display, you can see this vehicle is equipped with a nice touchscreen display. Up top, we have some storage with 12-volt charging. And of course, we do have our nice large backup camera here with towing and guidance lines, some simple radio controls, and further down we'll have our climate controls, an integrated trailer brake control with your gain controls, and you also have nice options like traction control off, tow haul mode, and then you can turn your proximity sensors front and rear on and off. Down below we will have a CD player and charging, and of course you'll have plenty of storage here in the middle with 2 cup holders, a spot for all your change, and that opens up to a nice deep storage console as well. Bringing our attention up top here to our rear view mirror, which is auto dimming. And we have integrated garage door openers as well. And if we go to the right, we'll have our LED map lights. And of course our controls for our rear sliding glass. Under the hood, you will find a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine. Very clean, as you can see, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew always does a phenomenal job of making these ready for the next buyer. In this last portion of the video, this is where I'm going to go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not see on this Ram 1500. Keep in mind that it is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect. We like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting up front here with your high gloss black grille. Looks like you will have some paint chips here, some wear and tear from the road. And the chrome bumper looks good, no dents or dings or anything like that, but you will have some stone chips here on the front of the hood. And it looks like your tail lights or your headlights here are very clear, no cracks, no condensation built up in there. Of course, your wheel and tire setup, those are like new tires, plenty of tread life left on those. And of course, your wheels have no curb rash or anything of that nature. Chrome badging looks good. Coming up the passenger side of this mirror cap, a little bit of wear and tear here, as you can see. All the way down to your running boards, they look to be in good shape, no chipping. Chrome around the door handle looks good. Minimal scuffing behind the door handle, which is typical, but not in this case here. Very clean. As far as the interior is concerned, no rips, stains, tears, or odors. Headliner looks very clean. Seats look very clean. Let's take a look in the back seat here. A little bit of discoloration here outside the window. Not bad. Okay, those elements look good, like that cloth. A couple spots here on the back seat, otherwise very clean. And of course you have your all-weather mats. Headliner back here is very clean. Back to our bed here. On the passenger side, you will see a blemish here. It's kind of hard to see. And then here as well. No curb rash on that wheel. Tail lights are clean. Chrome badging is good. Even back here, below the tailgate, looks good. On the top of the tailgate, you will have some scarring here, so wear and tear from cargo going in and out. And of course, there's no bed liner in there. There's nothing to protect that, so you will have some blemishes here in the back of the bed. Of course, coming up the driver's side, no dents or dings that I am seeing. No curb rash on that driver's side wheel. One of the spots here I did want to mention, on the rear driver's side door here, you will have some minor cosmetic blemishes. Other than that, very clean vehicle here, guys. Front left quarter, there's a paint chip. And on the driver's side of the hood, paint chip there, and a blemish here. If you have any more questions, give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales or go to allthingsautomotive.com. So come on out to 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day.